Right, so this is our last moment in this beautiful, beautiful hotel. That's it. We are going to check out and seeking new adventures in Phi Phi Islands.
So about 10:30 morning, pick up about 7 o'clock.
So 8:30 we'll go
Both started the Lazada Pier.
No, Leon,
This one, pick up from hotel 9 o'clock. This one 9 o'clock. Both start 11 to Tonsai, to 7 o'clock.
we will be on Tonsai 1 o'clock if they pick up at 9, yeah?
Yes.
ขอบคุณครับ Today we are doing we are leaving from Phuket. We are going through Phi Phi Islands and it's a bit sad because this hotel was amazing. Hopefully the next one will be the same or at least the same, maybe better. So our adventure continues. Оля, this is the hotel, Oля. So this is our room. Simple. And let's see if I can show you outside. So it's not that interesting outside.
No, but it's nice, you know.
Inside
It's econom class doesn't have safety box, but we've got safety box, so we are not econom class.
it's a simple room. We got nice cozy bed
Interesting
with some
design.
Asian Chinese design. Even on the wall we got two geishas.
Nordic languages.
So can I go to take a shower?
Yeah, just 1 second to film the bath. The bath as well. Very simple and basic. You've got this nice toilet, and here a shower with hot water. Yeah. And here we're gonna stay for 3 nights, 4 days. Yeah. So 29. 3 nights, 4 days. Yeah, it's simple, very basic. You don't compare with you can't compare with the other room from Phuket. Balai Lam, Balai Man, Balai something. That was out of this. Yeah, but for this small island from Andaman Sea,
It's a luxury.
It's above average, so it's very, very nice and cozy. We are going out to see that famous viewpoint and walk around. Maybe we can do a massage somewhere. Yeah, so fun part. And very, very important, we plan to take 2 tours for tomorrow and after tomorrow. One of the tour will include for sure Maya Bay and other islands, and we will see for the second tour what we can visit. All right, so
Crispy.
เมื่อมองดูนกพกพินบินลับไป เมื่อมองสายชนถึงไหลริน ยามเหงา